Let's have a look at the question.
A number when divided successively by 4 and 5 leaves remainder 1 and 4 respectively. When it is successively divided by 5 and 4, then the respective remainders will be. The question is talking about successive division. It means that, please make a note of it, a number, when you are going to divide it by 4, you will get something as the remainder. You will get something as the remainder. And when this number is divided by 5, that's nothing but number by 4. When this is divided by 5, you will get something as the remainder. They are told in the first case, you will be getting 1 as the remainder. In the second case, you will be getting 4 as the remainder. This is what they have told. How are you going to tackle this? Is I'll write this question in the general form. Okay, we'll try to write this question in the general form of equations. So please look here, they are talking about successively. Yes, I'll take out number. I'll take out n. N equals to pq plus r, where p is nothing but multiplied with 4 here. So 4 into q plus r, remainder is 1, right? They're talking about successively. It means after dividing n by 4, you will get some quotient. So they're talking about that quotient. So the quotient is q. So I can say q equals to 5 into another q, that is nothing but 5 into q1 I'll take, plus remainder is 4. So if I'm going to combine this, I can say that n equals to 4 into q is 5 into q1 plus 4 plus 1. This is the equation here, right? So I can say n equals to, please make a note of it, 4 5 times 20 q1 plus 4 4 times 16 plus 1. So which is nothing but number equals to 20 q1 plus 17. So this is the number. So this is the number. So yes, if I'm going to take out this number, the first basic number is taking out q equals to 0. If q1 equals to 0, I can say the number will be 17. The possible number will be 17. Or the next number is 17 plus 20, which is 37. It goes on. So I'll try with a smaller number here. If you divide it by 4, of course, you'll get 1 as the remainder. If you want to try it out, 17 by 4. The remainder is 1. What is the quotient here? 17 by 4, it is 4. When you divide it by 5, the remainder is 4, of course. Yes, it is matching here. It is matching. Now I'll proceed with the next one. Okay, please make a note of it. Now they have told 17 divided by, when it is divided by 5, 17 divided by 5, what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. 17 by 5 is 3. So when you divide it by 4, the successive division, when you divide it by 4, you will get the remainder as 3. So the answer will be 2 and 3. Answer will be 2 and 3. Now look here, if you're going to go out with those equations, look here, going out with this equation, combining it and finally getting this, it is little bit hectic task. What if they have given 3 equations? We have to write out 4q plus 1, 5q plus something, and we have to keep on taking it out, and at last we have to equate it and we have to get this one. That will take a long time, and that will also be a confusing one. So please try to make a note of it. Whenever they have given a successive division, you take out the successive division trick for this. So whenever they are going to give successive division, take out a successive division trick. So take out a divisor and take out the remainder. What's the divisor here? Divisor is 4, remainder is 1. When you divide it by 5, remainder is 4. Remainder is 4. Yes, now you need to find out the number, right? So this number is nothing but, start from this end. Start from the right bottom end, go cross and add it here. So 4 into 4 plus 1. 4 4 times 16, 16 plus 1 is how much? 17. So 4 into 4 plus 1, which will give out 17. So this is the least possible number, right? So once we have got the number, yes, we are going to divide it now. 17 by 5, the remainder is 2, and the 17 by 5 is 3. 3 divided by 4, the remainder is 3. The answer is 2 and 3. Now can I say that successive division trick will be faster when compared to going out with the equation? So please make a note of this successive division.
Thanks for watching. For more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.